keke eye bra osoro ne asase hia eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa first service entwa wo hu hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Ghana this maima Munia Bakusia Guabuajini Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Yedijumedia Bia Baye de Boyan Kasia Brabo I friend Sompa Rhapsody Sompa Rhapsody Ebosu Efi Ejuada Ekosi Efiada Anopano Mochikosi Anopano Du Pepe 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Entishia radio counselors Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo Du your clinical psychologist now your theologian awa bin wa abrabomu nimdie ene akosia Guabuaje ewo radio so Ejuada Ekosi Efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. na ubenya abrabomu nyansa yebema wo de wanamo asisiye se bibimpo ena ekoso wo abrabomu a wonnim ne esesa wo ya eya tie na yentufo ewo Sompa Rhapsody so na wo de wanamo asisiye in a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships and silent struggle. Sompa Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya mwanka samudio yepesa abrabone yemrema yepesa wodi nimdie ebobra yepesa isiwi ente shanonso Ejuada Ekosi Efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. anopa bia netie Sompa Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesesa Sompa Rhapsody yedie ni daso abro Sompa Rhapsody wo radio counselors chen so mo bebo
Sompa akika memra so asiyesini akamaya samo pen akwada hu dachi anana ni aje opane twa nani anani raho mara hu sempa na mikai mintam kese na mi bosi memranti bremu metia futu elamina minyo ranti ani mabawa kutieme akamaya samuda
adweno sɛdeɛ asɛm no si awurawura na adweno adendan no yɛka asɛm ahyɛwɔ tideɛ ne kɛ
akamaya samupe sukuyi maufo ni mikobi na sukoda boni semti mayire mi wensuadia oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan bedi achire mapo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama disuan ni agro mamu fama disuan ni agro kra
Omanfo me mamache mosomfo Joseph Osafo na matenasi maje medwa e Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa FM 106.5 FM ose ema aketua pa na mse de bia metenase a efri na wotwea kosinundu no na chese nyansa asetenemu ntotoe adane atenkam nimdie ene de bebua na wo bra ne wana motuo asie o asase so ya na metaka se abraba afutuo nka ho sini ene oya ne opranko ya na yo bi se onyankopon nko ade betumi aboa no yampa onyame ka ho onyame akura mu wo so mu oboa wo de na wanamo nanso se wanfa nyansa anantia nyame boa okura ya na enyi obi ekura ne nkwa na brabo ye ne basa mekasa nye na nambo tu nye oni pantam nye ne bufu a osne tractor enu abufu nti obi da na wantumi anayiye ne tikwa ne ya osori a okwa adwuma ne bo afu awia ne bo befu enwumre ne bo befu obi bu afu enra wani di abufu nya bone na mu abufu mu nimdiye abufu ya tenka na emu nimdiye na beboa wo se wanya abufu mu nimdiye a eka tenka hodo sɛ wanya hunum deɛ pa abrabɔ ɛbɛsɛe obi adwuma sɛe obi aware asɛe obi ba antumi antu anambɔ ɛfiri sɛ wanya abofo mu nyansa asafo die obrɛ odifo bi adi sanka obrɛ teacher ni bi arekyerɛ a ɔkyerɛ no obrɛ obi a ɔyɛ adwuma na ɔma nkɔfo da no obi yɛ resane kɔgya no efisɛ ne bufu a no ɔsɛe nneɛma ya no ɔkasa me deɛ wonne me bufu a metumi sɛe adeɛ anɔpɛ yi masa anyimadwa meka kyerɛ wɔ sɛ na ɔhwe nyinaa me ne wo ka abofo ho asɛm ɛnɛ meka Friday mesaba abofo ɛwɔ si nya ho nyansa paa Onyankopɔn kora ne bufu obi na kae ɔse na provenance ma ɔka idie Onyankopɔn kora ne bufu ɛyampa Onyankopɔn bufu righteous anger abofo biara ɛde ne pa ba no bɛma nkoso aba na nsɛ yade no ɛyɛ abofo pa na obufu ana wa sɛ o television obufu ana wa sɛ o fridge obufu ana wa twese kana den na reba ɛyɛ owu akora esisi ade na obufu obi sɛ ade a woyɛ embo a wo da kyen yɛ fɛ na obufu deɛ woyɛ no sunsuan so de wanim no ɛbɛsɛ wa brabɔ anti ɛnɛ matena si na kyɛ sɛ enyansa nko a na enyansa bɛn ɛyɛ abufuo ɛho nyansa anti ɛnɛ presla ɛne ekosua atenase na ekosua ɛnɛ mpɛsɛ efi ase firi baabi ekosua mepɛsɛ wo kenkan Genesis chapter 4 the verses 5 to 6 na ne deɛ meka ho asɛm sɛ why are you angry Nyankopɔn asɛm obisa Cain no makes me bisa on why are you angry adenti na obufu ai then how na so ode sa and they were justified reason eze abuafu no obi a ebuafu obuafu ukunu obuafu yire buafu ba obuafu ọma no kwa buafu obi kwa say me ankasa kura no me buafu me ho akoso enkan Genesis chapter 4 5 to 6 okay emphasis 7 no kranka ho
5 to 6 don't know say but he did okay me say papa ya na
yes
but on Cain and his offering, he did not look with favor.
Okay.
So Cain was very angry, and his face was downcast. Then the Lord said to Cain, "Why are you angry?" Then the Lord, Onyankopon busa Cain said, "I didn't know who."
And also,
why is your face downcast?
Okay.
If you do what is right, will you not be accepted?
Okay.
But if you do not do what is right, sin is crouching at your door.
Okay.
It desires to have you, but you must rule over it.
And why are you angry? And the last one is rule over the anger. Over to me a diso. Kra. Aye. Kra. Eh. Yeah, no heading. Yeah, no heading. Okay. Okay. Hey! Oh, she is a few so. Okay. Now, I was here, EMF free. Sorry, we see describe it and even the behavioral expressions. And the Obibufua, na television, no ma bono. And the baby a minimum no TV on top. Because I say television destroyer no. Ene wo fie wa. Na mo fu ya no afahama. No call television no. Yes, even displacement. On to be from Bonnie Kunintino. What a less threatening object. No, the boom. They say, be a maybe in Buffon here. Or friend here, want to mean Kentino. None of Mofrano. Ah, oh, yeah, I know a book to pot. One walk to. And the boss, I ain't from Sobi. Okay, Juma. And on the boss, Aquirino. Nebufu. I was a woofy. Oh, man, Aquaba. Oh, Aquaba Milkun. Any Aquaba. Aquaba Bay. I say, can I say? I think Buff. And the woman that behavioral expression. But I go say, Sana. Behavioral expressions that to nine to on sa ushi so we cry acid and the good partner so now obi fa second no the twa the partner so the son Peter so nyina so and yemfi asente the physiology and sana reaction be no brebi koso oni beduem and here am person ko for enya sante ase no na sa time yemfa ye no then na acc oh, mini bedroom. Exactly. In the first part, no, phase 1, you be no 4 phases. Phase 1 is triggering, and not trigger. Trigger na air from 0 to 5 seconds. Obi a pussy baby. Obi a kansembi. Obi a ball. Obi a hensweguso. Obi a di hunseku. Obi a kansema area. And then a trigger. Na sa trigger no between 0 to 5 seconds no. A kenya idea be in your brain. First one, I found a thalamus. Thalamus, no. A G trigger, no. Say, Obi a casam, ya. You are foolish. Now, trigger, now send a message, you know. Eddie Akoma, ya down for a feno. Amygdala, okay, no. Oh, no, wow. Enter the all G message in the front of the thalamus. What G message now, on the signal, threat signal. No, the amygdala. On a bottom. And your demand and cring. They said your break time. Mamma go school, no, hook of a bell, no, but now what's at your lamb at the action. To us at your lamb. Cring. Oh, man, and the amygdala. Now, what G message in every thalamus no check. Phase 1 and the moon. And here between 0 to 5 seconds. Now, a 1 hour phase 1 more. Now, McDonald also a trigger, sir, and none for me, no be a mechanic was cortisol and adrenaline. O my run. Now, a trigger on shit, a good nibadiano. And at the physiological level, when they see message be about amygdala, thalamus naji, what transfer my amygdala, what about dono, or board dono, now, say, no, shit. And where your face one the trigger. And because beneath on Sunday auto and then 9 hours they will bon conyano near crana or bonitimono and they will be just say oh your reaction no something is happening but it be see what nipebiano the triggering face no physiology face 1 yanko face 2 afa ebra say no nroi ahia gu nipebiano ma wie no from the thalamus to the amygdala to cortisol and adrenaline ahia gu no oh face 2 and on the pediana ebe mobilize na ho. Ni pediana ebe hihye na ho. Enti oba hunu se or heart rate wakoma obia obotafuno ade America obehu wakoma sorry te but kum ebo sa na ebo between 20 and 30 BPM just say heartbeat rate no ebo obetse ebo peri ebe kind of palpitations ebo akoma na peja and you wonder what is happening physiologically say no hwie no cortisol ne aduna no e na peja akoma no a peja akoma no ebra bibi trigger ye no obi ya ade a wo mpe atendidie bi ba hu oba bi aso ade bi ase wo bu ya no ade bi ne hwie gu ni pedua wo sa peja akoma no ebo negosia imagine say heart problem no you see where you can die. Yes. A large heart. Wakoma no valves na won ebi mo asi. Enti rush of adrenaline and cortisol e put pressure on the heart. Na if you asibo peri na enya put pressure pa first to near first near mobilization. Body no is mobilizing the resources. Enti akoma no papa na fe blood pressure. Epeja. Blood pressure rises. For every anger bia ebufu bia ebepeja ai until obufu da bia blood pressure nyanko e obehuntem ai obehuntem we enya obufu nya de bi so obufu ya e obi timi ka se obi bufu om so mo ma na be 3 days ebejo ye wo bufu bi omu bufu a yes, man, 3 days. Because I mentioned what we call the 20 minutes rule. And you 3 days. Everyone did 3 days. And you over with them. I was about with them. Over with them. Obufu yap, your blood pressure goes up. Now, blood pressure go up. Also, mobilization stage, you know. Nipeduano ehunu abufuno as a threat. Enti or marshal or organize it was no ho ama to me ade no so. Okay. Enti blood pressure no echo up na fe blood will flow to your muscles and the limbs. Enti one night no one some blood will flow there. Enti what me can say na wo twam for you say. You ever say obi over plaques, you got plaques. O wontrim emu asisi na abuphobia cortisol adrenaline say am metabolize ya she say emubu a on say hwegu na say bubu say wadi aduane na aduane na digest say metabolize digest na odwonso na eba out and imagine say the bia obuafu you are releasing cortisol, you are releasing adrenaline chemicals and also so metabolize embreki entini na entini no block no enti blood air flow ko we nya enko emuasi te say pipe emuasi nsuo pompe na pipe no emuasi now just imagine enti your heart phase 2 no immobilize no so your heart will rise up then the blood flow to your extreme blood pressure will go up na fe your limbs na ko na fe obeka ya daf ba ko nso bia me born din say I make that no about don green ye owo no so nyabatre and I make say if no the prefrontal cortex and no a rational part of you and the bra amygdala no ne thalamus na bozo no I say hey munyabatre and no rational as we you bia but the sense say ndonro ye hwie na amygdala yi bodon yi na blood pressure cholesterol no oh na mo twiafa prefrontal cortex no so oh my twiafa so twiafa so twiafa so na bi nta ko so mo bi a we dey ko so fu e when they be a bobia sumo meeting also we don't know who no so pamba no asole jina hona hey oda kontoko asɔre bɛyi wa body kina so boom what's it what bodam pa me yɛ da no say na anya juma is suppressed exactly what chef and so is suppressed anya juma bi anya juma and anger can make you become briefly mad. Anger can make you have brief madness. That's about bodam. Every tiabi, what in Yajuma? Yes, yes. What dear Gura? Because you are a debia obey. Now, all you pan if you're near bounds. If we said the prefrontal cortex was hijacked and suppressed, was suppressing. Yeah, tranoso. Aye. What boy? Why are you?
Now, where we are next day now, who there was say, Miami,
I mean, my area. I was on with India. Yeah, man, eco schooler. Yeah, now almost says near ma. To say, be a problem, be a school no more so in India. Open one say, hey, trouble, hey, yeah, nyabri, yeah, nyab, akrabia. Anka oye, a very decent young and a young lady in school. No, a very group.
Yeah.
Group, even group think. I didn't engage maybe you. Because the prefrontal cortex is suppressed. And Yajuma, no say adio to 2 adio boha. Obisana say, man, who dear me? And I make you.
And I would say, no, I am man who dear me.
Aye, many a mammy also. Aye, every say. The prefrontal cortex I be wow. Na what the rationality nyansa to ho atenkamu ni dia to ho atenkamu nyansa to ho sadebi ade ma menya botre kakra
yeah menchen chance kakra
a chia fa ne so enti wo bi a wo ma kwan ma atenka twifa so bia no wonni abufo mu nyansa
obi a wo ma abufuo
atenka twifa so
wo ma atenka twifa so no
wonni abufo mu nyansa da
wonni abufuo mu nyansa da
dabi wunya ka jone nya adwuma anya adwuma wonni mu nyansa enti akosia why first two no
yeah
mobilization no yan kai bi you say and no first o blood o heart rate
ekosro
na fe blood pressure ekosro na fe o blood flow to the muscles and o limbs
and no fit block veins
na fe o prefrontal cortex activity na be boa na what me aka say oh munya botre and on say prefrontal cortex no a braking system and na ma utimi ya calm on say you say abufunya no yanunya sankai abufu sa yanunya no prefrontal cortex no kan
wow
we nya kakra you are using the
prefrontal one ye gidigidi no
we gidigidi pa twifa so we gidigidi pa hey now say me pra me kuma ba ya me na che say won obi o esa pa ka che ne say kwasi obebodam for a few minutes obebodam if you say you are mobilizing your body physiological resources beyond rationality
ebe buru adwene na e ma udwene nyansa no ebe tua fa no so ama de obeye bia se bia obeye bodam se
yes it is a obufu no obi onim nyansa gina no ka say
nyabotra waboa
wo ye onyankopon
papa repeat
wo ye onyankopon obufu no obi gina ho no ka so oh akoso nyabotre onyankopon gina ho no every say for a few minutes obebodam
obeye bibie ni pansa wo ye
ebinumu have lost jobs
ebimu ahwejima yeah
if you say first time impression and you no assign ni something went wrong in the body and your first two the mobilization send you see show ni pedua no o si show reaction no are very key
papa nti woni tete no ye nananom no omunyanye psychology ya wuye bi wonse omunyanye sa brain
omontiase
sa keme but no omu se ubufu afansu gina wonum ebi kro mo se wukunu anasa wo yere se BBC wo fi a omo so ba anasa bema no kwado omo yo se pie omo ka che bema no se bufuo ba pie menye bibia ena ma no so omo yo se ko na ko fa nsuo egu wanu eno ye nananom na make no omo nye psychology no omo nye brain omo nya se de brain no enya hu the prefrontal cortex mo ne ade
omo ni kras omo nyansa
adrenaline no omo nim ni nyina but omo hu se ebufuo betimi ebufuo ma short madness wo bufuo betimi am wo behave sese bi obi a wabodam wo betimi aye bibia wo benu hu for the rest of your life wo betimi ahira de bia wo ahwe wo nya biem ebufuo nti etie nananum nyansem no omo ye omo se wo ye be ma pie omo ye omo se wo yire hye wo bufuo apie wo ahwe wo gina ho wo beto nsa wo yire kasa bagi bibi pie ne ko etore bi so oba no so omo se fansuo ejina wonum menkasa ampa wutimi din so gina wanum na tetna wo twen na wanka bibia
okay
wo bo se kire no said the wokan the prefrontal cortex no
na
ya adwuma na wadwendwene bibia ansa na kire no wa respondo wo respondo wutimi sa papa so do be sia respondo no eyenyansem pa
exactly
ba fa so ye because what na se dwene but the moment in the heat of the moment na before aba na blood pressure no kosoro no bibia wo beye bia be yabodam sem
right
edi nu hu na beba
right
wo de be seyade
right
wo de be gu awade adwuma be yi wodi wo beye bibia sunsun no papa eya na hadwin
because I like the comment what they about I think mobilization trigger yaka trigger yaka mobilization and here phase 2 yanko phase 3 and the phase 2 no ye dey say afa dey prefrontal cortex no ya retire no
ogo retirement
enye adwuma
atenka na tua faso
enti so bi ka say eh ade o ye ni be ka say wabodam hey what is happening I lose control I go freeze enti obi jina na ba na adwuma say baby ana obi jina na be say ware na say
brother we dey shey
brother David
yeah
we dey mamenya mo sheka I go say phase 3
okay
phase 3 no na sa cortisone adrenaline yi ando no ye hwe go ni pedie mo na fe a rich peak omatwa braking system no so
na dwen na be yadwuma
atwa fa so enti afa dia a flood body no afa ba bia obon say afa na wonsa
obi okwa ne nse popo
ne nse popo na ne o se be ka tell say edanu a Rebecca ka kire Jacob say unia Esau the way an nebuafu no Hebrew word na up
okay
na up no kire the way a na hwene wo so
aseno wajimi age wajimi shira aseno
ase the way an hwene wo so no na be so chese na buafu no
okay
and mbofo no say the way I was supposed to anger no but the Hebrew word is the shaking of the nose
the shaking of the nose no the hwene wo so
e
papa bi bufu a amote obi on bufu a
me say
papa
ena obi bufu a mi so no me anger na make me experience
okay
mi so me bufu a me tu nkasa na me kasa atisa me horo so
okay
na me ko kanto kwa chenye bi abufu ne boy ye bo me no akosia
wa bufu mu no
ai
uko kanto kwa
akwa no bro me rough
kwa no bro so
ne say bro me so was me panyi be 4 years ai na abufu ntimi se me bro no wo bro mpa odufu no dufu mi wie no na abufu ne nkoi
na wo ho
ai afa na ndro ye hwie gu mi ni padue mu
yeah
na me ko fie na me ko fa me plans
kwa obefa so
me ye ni nyina ye kopa me kopa catapult me kopa me bibia ye bullet na shemu ni nyina ye ready di bi gu me patch mu me sin David me ko
Goliath
akosia
yes
na me do ho na me ya pra me say
hey papa for war
hey
zone
me say me break e kan say lugasi ebra obi ye ni te ebra abufonye papa
sa
time no the prefrontal cortex
enye djuma
yaretano
ya chia faso
what chia faso
atenka bufuo na chia faso
what would enti a obro ye no
yeah enoa
the enti a ofa ase kan wo obi no
enoa
the enti a wo hwe boss anim ka che wo say to hell with you wo bi omo adwuma no
what go round boss office okay to hell with you
who are you my god
okay
I'm not your god
yes
we shall see who will pay you the entire oko lecture bin chen all correct
yeah
now we are them boom open the door obi yes apa won say daddy
enkoyi adwene no nya
na say open nipa na semo anka don't open the door because the obe brown
yeah
makano wo me no program bisu na say when somebody is overly angry
obi bu ofu pa
don't dare them because they can lose their prefrontal activity.
Obi and the boo of Fupan, the man can say, Obey be I.
Hey, Obaku!
Yeah, the obey be I.
You have to be wise.
I say, who answer?
And not just say, who's wrong, Debbie?
Debbie, but a hono.
Yansan, no. What could I say?
Yeah.
Wasn't there? I say, who you can do Foko?
Yeah, or the bow, yeah. And
never speak to unwisely provoked person. Don't do that.
Obi and the boo of food in Yansan,
free.
Yeah, Papa is where your counsel.
Oh, yes.
Uber who said trot from meat.
Exactly.
On the passenger. Was it 10 cities?
I said, third one,
third one. I said, doctor.
Messi, my boy up to 10.
I said, Papa, what my doctor to me and son.
Me boy up to 10.
Doctor. Director of School of Aging Studies. Or mommy doctor to grandson. I will radio so. Na a truck driver no. A mate no free or see 10 cities. Right. From Mrs. About the mouse and farmer was to show we are Papa, you who dear, we want to say what the second one.
Double provocation.
I feel one says about
double provocation.
No more dear tuno. Double provocation. Said the Papa na okay. Why and the bufu and one so and one must compromise. Yeah. Eti and the bufu. Don't meet the person at the same level. Baby, who say Jimmy Bar, Fanyasa Papa can be.
Every beer don't say Jimmy Ebano. Yarin Yansan is share Jimmy. Yarin Toboasin is share Abufu. Yadi Nimdia and is share Sabin Quasiade. Eti, you must always Yadi Abufu Yansan and is share Jimmy. Any day and to Boise, Asia Obia or the Sakasakae, Asia. Eti, you must all the time meet people different. There's a compromise version.
Wow.
Eti, the provocation must not meet provocation.
Okay.
Debbie, as I said, ideally, I say Nyansa, Asia Nyansa.
Okay.
But the son say any pentino, most of the time, I say Nyansa, Asia Jimmy. And it's a Jimmy be bar. And for Jimmy Shiano.
Finance
or bar Kumbewu. Bakobe pra
ampa
eti wona ma ono ira ware da bia Jimmy to Jimmy obon to obon at a school say one abon for nantia e bom
hey Papa, this is deep.
Bom
so the nyansa na share Jimmy
and the share Jimmy I don't know the other ban
because the pan e buofu
what tweseka
so ya mekum
akusa me na me nam krum one day bi na trotro and Mr. Trotro even say abaye for omo etwi troki oba ko buafu no afesika na akwan say oh na we me say that day I learned something the other guy no down or ya tetola obetumi abu akwai
yeah wetumi
I say but what I mean what
didn't know
what are you going to do? And you were smiling
okay no sir
I said what is it kind of going what did I mean oh David na aso me kai se kai bi na kwano
yeah.
Banko ososo so nkwade banko no o ja sana second evening sato. I watch me say wow. This is wisdom.
Yeah.
This is the prefrontal cortex disarming the amygdala hijack. When you sir you can say prefrontal cortex the nyansa na wono.
Me fe no maso nyansa.
Could disarm amygdala hijack.
Yeah.
A hijack a rich peak. And then say train no peak no adrenaline kwata so afie and nam de pedua mo te say ye ekoso mo ya bue dam na aflade nkofofie na esen nkofofie and number bia na fe edu ofa you don't see anything again if I'm a tunnel vision.
Wow.
The who one say me prenipa.
Yeah.
Me be ku bi. Me show bi say me be kunipa.
Yeah.
Me be kunipa. And no be moja be hwie. Wadu pick, wadu stage 3 no.
Papa unim say Rhapsody ya so ya ye dia sedama nyame. Ye be phone lines last week ho. Ma bi frey na ye ka Boniface na me ka Boniface ho. Of Freya Sompa Rhapsody and then come ko dew.
Hey!
Come ko dew.
Was I can know ko dew.
Was and then come ko dew.
Wow.
But asema waka intermediate. Afi mami tue sumo radio.
Oh.
Was and then come ko dew. Okoko ne ba eyere. Because the ba na and was say oba of free evangelism by okaso yare oba na mfa na nko hospital. Ama ne ba be ma na dawa ewu. Awu so wo de na kohye mochi wo bra wa mo na mane ye.
Yey.
Wo hu ne se na yere ne na eko ne ba no. Etu aye na dwen so oba na obe.
Wono so be kuni bi.
Am so no obi ono ne won kwada miensa. Be ma na wu se wo ku oba ya.
Won na ye nkra no.
Be hye nkwada no. Etu ono ye kasa wa ha no na osemate. Osenke ne enye program ya enka medie wu.
Wow.
Eti papa na wo kanade na hye ku padua nim.
Ehiegumu ohun hwe.
Adwene ne nya adwuma.
Anya adwuma.
De esi na hye no.
Eno anoko tunnel vision.
Ahye no.
Kumi ba mesuma kuni bi.
Mesuma kuni bi.
Tit for tat.
Yeah.
De mo amate sa asem na tit for tat. Wo ye me bi. Mesuma ye obi. Ogumani ase. Mesuma gu ani ase. Obo me. Mesuma bo obi. Wo ka asem mo ne cheme. Mesuma ke bi a kire wo. Eti edusa level na koso yabon se ebi wo ha na okran ne jo oye ori ne se ano no oye na mo se na office so jan wa na ebi wo ha mo se
no puse ya ni pedi
o hwa around so obenya second bia obenya dua bia I reach the peak na hanu na ensam a eye ensamfo ensam a ye ya ensam a nnome wo mu hana mamefo bi dum yomma wo me se won wo da ade an ka kire me yi wo ba wo no hu
no wa no edome ne baba
adome no ga bi say me ma me ka kire me say me bra wo no say me first child me kwa wo so nyame nko
come
o say ma push him ma me ka na me ask me say urade I override it o say o ka sa pe
na wo ye
na o fe ma me say mami wo be kum yum san sem na wo fu a wo ka no
yeah
na ma me ntam a ofi say no I reverse it enti odusa phase 3 ya the big year
free na numu ba
just say what or can some what domini pano or domia caneba or be a domia obi say natadi be shekwa no menka no
recently papa me hu video bi a mami bi a school mu em say wo se ne ba wo university
okay
na ne ba na friend ne say laptop na yira.
Wow.
And I ne laptop ayira na mami abba school mo campus hostel baby ankwada ne da and mami brunua yes I will university one of the universities obi a wo fa me ba ne laptop me domeu edumi obusuafo o mami o benye e wo school abon
laptop
a laptop I was say the banana gina ne nchen and mami die bufu abba campus ho and what can no Manchester City pa na wa fa laptop no me dem any boss me say ohia nye o papa na ka laptop be mama me panyini eh hia
ohia nye
me metiti me mawurem ato laptop dia ma me ba na odi aba school ma ba be wia wa fa laptop no and na me dome and na me yesei papa onim wo keka ne nyina wie ye keka nsem bebre no omo comment wase na sem obi kan ne say what about obana na aton laptop na di because enkwada omutimi chat asobi this is the comment yeah papa bebecho and I watched that comment Presla obeto or the to say mami wo begina school ma wo kese na wo kese ni papa wo so wa fa wo ba na laptop no akese wo ne maame ne papa na sefo ne daachi ne bibia no what about say
akrona ebi akoto
because enkwada chatro ebia na wo ba na akoton laptop na di and what Baba can't tell us a laptop na yira. At the end of the day, no case and no banner son a beba. It's about a young Munyambo tre. Baba can be bit so when Yambo tre.
No, didn't she?
Wait, we meet it abome.
I mean, you know, Mekaipa. Teacher, we will be at the board of Passa. If you say, Nebasa teacher abono. I go say, at this stage, you know. verbal outbursts, curses, bad language, kasa enye, nehiye, neko. Na unim. Some period in it lasted about 20 minutes. First thing meaning say, in fact, if you just say, some cortisone adrenaline. Guess how many minutes it takes to break down? Say a drone if you
yeah,
and I'm a
yeah.
It takes 20 minutes.
20 minutes, but
now metabolize it.
No, I'm not.
Ain't no say where you'll be at. We ain't Osafo. Nipa ne yesa move away.
Free hoko.
Just move. What the Mirika kwana betu atufi ho. In 20 minutes.
I bet you.
Now I call the fourth stage. I need a down regulation. I feel now because I metabolize it. I break it down.
Aname. I've had the front and the bed. You must say. I've had Nansan Bayajuma.
A Bayajuma. In fact, the big crutch say it can be faster. Someone Musia. Wow, Buffon. What do you have for Musu? One Musu Montamwa, a Bebuamana, a metabolize. And say, who free in Chankwa in 20 minutes. Obanza, Obia, Sabit, the conscience, yeah, Jumano.
Yeah.
Oh, Sister Kusia. Where do you mean when you hear me? No, I got a wound here. Match out here. Oh, but
oh, but
and Timbosa cortisol has broken now in 20 minutes. Yeah, no qua, Nafe, your braking system. P frontal cause a PFC. Or the Oka Gentia, PFC. No, now if he has a braking, if in a back.
I feel never. I didn't know, but you know who?
I dear, we Tosha, we are soft. We are elder. We are mammy. We are yere. We are back. We are kunu. We are done for. We did your way. Ye. To a brab with you, dear Woody, Wabufu, Osha. Nefi, it's re engaging. There will be what we call residual irritability. Kitty be oho. It is a literacy. Apeja broom. Was a man idea. Kakrabi oho. And the one swa. Nipano bufu yeno. And Kofabio and Kotriga.
Free hop.
Move away. Move away. Nefi, recovery window be about. And your honor after 20 minutes. And they say, oh, people forget until 20 minutes it's over. We are here intervention be obey bia. Emfa. And the one on the buffalo, we advise. So one hour bet me a walk away.
Who bet me a free hop? Men so
Debbie.
Men cassa or
Canada. I would have, and if I'm who do you think you are? What say I dear?
Free hop. Men come here. Would you say you fancy when I wait Jimmy for?
Walk away.
Would you fancy when I wait Jimmy?
I could walk away. Emwanya is a kind of fool. And the more I must say, man, who I am, and I'm at Ramo.
And I watch the papa.
Yanni Nana Yabaye. Yanni Nana Yabon some. Now, Ochame may share other principles, natural temperamental differences.
Okay.
Yahusumuno. Obi oha or phlegmatic, push me no go for me. Oh no, the book with them.
Yeah, yes, one more there. I saw my Libre Crown was.
Oh no, sir. And I will be oha or ye cola. Yeah, the AB. Yeah, the no, yeah, 1, 2 na bosswa. What's the idea? And to make me say me a choleric, me a melancholic cola.
Okay.
And to me melancholia. Say me cola ne ba pa. Na ma project me melancholia.
Okay.
Say we say no or jiji me sao. O ba jiji me an ma ka bibi. Me mbuano.
Mbuano.
Also me can say melancholia for they are deep thinkers. And the a boy mo regulate on PFC.
Okay.
And the adreba gidi na or catch and ho say baby. We or ajiji pa or bon sampa na ne premiso. Me na unsa ajuju. They often use silence or be quiet. Now obi or ye choleric melancholic. Sorry, choleric sanguine.
Okay.
What the boss wa pie?
I know or
no, who do you think one way in a tadia? If you crack me to theater, now bottom singing na way a dear. Me patch or one in beer, Quazuman chain. And I say, down box of scratching. They say, me, we should have box a be organ or conto quasa zuma. It is a one there. There's a way of channeling that anger into a lucrative business. Azuma bufumu no eno ori channel ya ori kwa boxing ya. Boxer amanya iska Mike Tyson wanya sika misra wo bia abufuo ano hye bia no yedi ka no iya boxers. Yen na recruit wa oba. Wow. Enter the man for first phase any library. You show the neuroscience, the physiological cascade of anger. Phase 1, trigger. Phase 2, mobilization. Phase 3, peak of the emotions. And phase 4, down regulating the emotions. Then you know in 20 minutes, me catch say obrebia afution kahono eya maninya eya sini eya opera na wabrabo enkoye kura na matiase ti hende bia na ye bonsami na ye ena me fiefo omo ba mo hye kambu omo nhye kambu na nse mo ba o mehye high heel obeti mo na se ko ka no wanya sign say one wodu wachi no no wanya emunim de na watmetu na mobia ebeboa o nse won hye kambu sa obeti mo na ase and my child the physiology of it my menka will say me be say meji break na answer no my menka just bread and pastries or more na dwumadie okura mu pa say for all kenke sellers and vendors in Accra. This is a great opportunity. One person oton dokono nkran dokono papa ni bia yamfa ye na yamfete na mo ya fiti ni ya mmoro no just say odi dokono what say yes we mmorepa eburupa odi wi a na won say yes we did you pa de boa na wa brabon akoyie na wa pomori nso agina openti no o say just hot kinky convenient tasty na affordable watch say kwan ofa so ye no kama o say ball ba kon 3 cities ne bon ye den ana fe o say sene o si store no package no kwa efe delivery no so efe o say o pese wonya bi ade kwa yie ade kwa wedding ade kwa asafujuma ade kwa kenke party bia you don't have to look elsewhere. The obeyan say for number 025 60688 32 025 6068832 was it what domain behind Ghana Commercial Bank. Just bread and pastries will say make your kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kenke. Omanfo obrem biara yamfa nyansa ento hono eyesini na opera so di achi nyansa biara enka na na se enhia bufo bia no ohaw ene di achi kai me ka che say sabi se ohunu se jimi eba eyafa nyansa efehia no me twa me ho basese ya
Yes, can you hope you move? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na ube kojo. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa akoton. Wabra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
O say price no. Ube tu na wo kwa na wakwa akoton. Eno ane se wonya wani ma na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Just hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say just hot kenke. Mo amoto dokono nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
Joe's Bakery. Dome ye wo commercial bank echi ho no a. Sa wo pedudu atu. Now our friend 025-6068832. And you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti. And one is a ubetu ya. Now would ya kwako si wo kona ho. Now wo ton. Joe's hot kenke. Hot kenke. Yet ya bawo punano. Way a ye pops.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, I was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midday Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onya, sawati de wo honi nadida. Afi, enanye dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now, ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you Sompa First Service. Ewo homa yen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa kire ne ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa First Service entwa wo ho hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
Sompa FM.
Now, so me penny they are famous.
Ya boy. Ya ba Sompa.
Yeah, my yinti. Makika me mres wesi yesini. Oh. Akamaya samu pai. Akwada hu dachi anana ni aje. Opani twane ni anani raho. Kora hu sempa na mike. Mintam kesia na me bosui. Memranti bremu metia futu. Elamina binyo. Ranti mabawa mutie me. Akamaya samuda. Akamaya samupe. Sukuyi maufoni mikobi. Na sukoda boni semti majire mi wensuade oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan bedi achire mapo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama disuyi ni agro mamu fama disuyi ni agro
mamu fama disuyi ni agro obre biara afutuo enka hono eyesini enkoye ensisiye enti meba Sompa Rhapsody Mondays to Friday bia na memboa ahihye watenka na memboa mo ehun se obrei ye hihye no te said ye mason ne eto wall te said ye wo sit down or plaster one stage to the other. Life must be carefully structured, otherwise you'll be disorganized. The danger in life ne say ye beka asem na wontie na ye se wonko an obran ye wode meti ase se ye wabrabo wona onyame ebema wayi ano eyampa. Say your life is in your hands, you are master of your life. Now so there will be every 40 years esua no over to me at the 1 minute at the esua. You don't lose anything, but it be any wa e be free wonsam say will be a church or say sa kwenya me fa so amboa me na o fa ha ebebo and no and yetena se Sompa Rhapsody Monday to Friday bia e de bro na pay onyankopon bisa Cain say, why are you angry? Officer, why are the panka who na bonnet at the town pomano? And what catcher can say, but master it rule over it. Naturally, say before we can master anger. You know to me and the abufuo so And I mean, you go to Atenas now, my catch out the neuroscience of anger. Yeah, no, because I mean, yeah, me, and I'm a child, know the first 5 seconds near my SC, oh, Nipeduamo first 1. Now, yes, and Robbie, share Nipeduamo first 2. Now, I come if you say sorry. Now, blood pressure, if you say sorry. Now, fail muscles, I then. Now, fail baby, a braking system in your body, no, now I lose control. Makacha se face 3 no na fe a reach a peak. Sambere no na ndondo na hwegu ni pedua no no na won ni pedua wo so won san wo so afe unhu no hwe won tuma nwere hwe de awodwini ane se wo be pre obi obeya ade bi a enya kra na fe oche I say wo clench wo jaw I say wo hene wo so I say won san wo so I say che se o pese wo ka se mi ne pre nipa no a reach the peak. Me bacho take a break. And how to engage your braking system, the prefrontal cortex, and know the braking system. How you can re-engage it and down regularly. When we know baby says Sompa Rhapsody, Yantiaka, Yanjusika, free. The other say you tune in every Monday to Friday, 106.5. Share. Obviously, share the link. So we share and people are paying millions to go for anger management. Obe share me all me clinica medio kakra. Had here free. And to many persons, now say, me be say person boy or a clinical psychologist. This like a PhD student at the University of Ghana Center for Aging Studies. Well, a young lady ote nipa say na nipa one nipa dwunimo atenka honim de or den nipa abrabo nipa su ne sene esi hu yan hofa and obekyen the taxonomy of anger obekyen the Bible beto ho or sign the clinical psychological categories and the principles also beto ho. Abufobi ohaya abufupa esiesie niema abufobi ohaya emma niema koso ebi so oha eyopra eseyade ekunipa emma obi abrabo say Priscilla is going to help us right now. Yeah, na me pen young women young men wo mo atinkamu ni media wo use one examples. Any for examples, anyone knowledge. Now they church no they boa yenina me bufua me sentrata. And to me you be a me bumfu here. One catch me bufua. Not me dangerous bar. Monsieur, how to manage my anger. I don't remember the last time I had a fury and indignation. Me say you can be angry, but Bible say be angry, but do not sin. I will be so for bufu na me bufu te Yesu ni bufu. Yesu kura bufu why? Me bufu amenye bone. Na mo de na ya after my anger. Se me de me bufu no say obi dia. Enle na enye ne kwanso no. God is described as a God of wrath and a God of anger. But it's a righteous anger and I say anger. Priscilla is going to help us. Alright, Priscilla, anger, I have no na from your perspective, you Christian young lady, say what ben, what do you mean? Just say what carton so papa nibia. Just say, but you are also a balanced young woman because what's your master in clinical psychology where you qualified just a ukra pin the beer what's a PhD count. Let's take us through anger hold on a day from a biblical to clinical categories a day.
Okay. Anger no ye were different, but let's start it from biblical perspective.
Okay.
Now can you bufobia na ye friend righteous anger.
Okay.
Na it's a share John 2:15 verse 17 na.
Okay.
My main kind kakra. Me kind English no.
All right.
So he made a whip out of cords.
Hey, one no.
Jesus.
Yes,
asem na eken.
Obama.
Aye. It says our scripture no go for be brain mo Bible mo ko temple ko hwe omo.
Okay.
I don't know how can one them say.
Okay.
So he made a whip out of cords and drove all from the temple courts.
All right.
Both sheep, cattle. He scattered the coins of the money changers and overturned their tables.
Wow.
To those who sold doves, he said, "Get these out of here. Stop turning my father's house into a market."
Okay.
His disciples remembered that it is written, "Zeal for your house will consume you."
I see.
It's righteous anger nebini.
Righteous anger. Just say abufra. Papa.
Na say before we know. Towards idea maybe injustice be idea to see.
Atentre ni bia.
Yeah, sure.
To see. Okay.
Enye ne kwan so. Maybe e wadwumam. Nipa ba ko obia time nani. Enti say oye boss, oye maybe HR manager. Now bufu sa de na. You bet me aka say righteous anger.
Okay.
I no. Bibi koronga genuine. Ade hu se ade we de enye se no bi treating a yire se no bi treating a ma obi ti wo nchen ene odi bankuta ochina. That is righteous.
And is a would defend afufra.
Yes.
Afufra yes see omo ye mbasa ye bromo.
Say South Africa cry omo leaders here rising up against apartheid.
Okay.
We can say righteous
anger.
Right. And Jesus say, "Don't turn my father's house into a place of merchandise."
Okay.
Because trust them nature say hona yesumera de nya hona aba be your business.
Okay.
Jerusalem kakra kai one person you.
When you not say hona ye benya nipa hona nkrofo e kwa so de benya nipa ho.
Yes. Honya baby a business.
Hona nkrofo ko.
And disciples, this is zeal for your house. So who's at a different level?
Okay.
Into behind in the So that is righteous anger. Okay. Say no dear, you good.
All right.
I was say nipa to me express it. Nema attention eba. Into righteous anger dear.
Okay.
Message obi abeye no ho. No, didn't wash him.
Right.
Na me call maybe sinful and not selfish anger. You go to Bible. In church, na about psychological aspects. So, hona eno die, anger no disproportionate. But for beka no say, ade kuntia ubuefusa na eno ken ebufu oni bi no. Ana
say Yakobon say one na.
If you do what is right, will you not be accepted?
Okay.
Enti ebufu no say obi eye bibia ya bo na baso. Ese enye me ntimi buefu. Say nyame na minya recommendation into ususu be adwuma onye adwuma oti ho wakasa wo funso a ye kawe ya ususu de afa ha but
no see ntwa ke
promotion ba upedu na wujinam
okay
o twen say wo ye heyman o ka che hine no say o Johnny Bakona or Bonnie yenye ni say
okay
nyo papa e woni tim say onu na eba ne chen ye ni say nti o twen o si ho obeji and
it's also a sinful and selfish anger.
And no more obi oha or ye proud.
They want to control.
Control.
They want to dominate.
Me na bibia o say ba menchen. How ye person min kuminya. Sadie we be
sense of entitlement.
Wunkuan na una onim bibia.
Narcissism.
Yes. There be our points na right. You obi beka bia no it is eno no into obi ye bibi na okona nim chen ana onya favor bi ana ye man no compliment bi. So why are dear utu na mo ye na baso na obuefu. Ai na o kika o baby. Ai o pe favor. O sorry no ai no say jealousy na your mommy. Dia o ye no. Jealousy ni envy ne.
Okay.
It's not obia nka say obi nye ti say righteous anger ya kan. Nye de bia na wo se nipa ba ko nya anuonyam.
Okay.
Ba sa wa nya wa de yie na wo nya anuonyam bia. En kase oni ba ko ni say and also you say.
Some before now what they ban justified.
I am justified.
Okay.
And no so ho.
All right.
Sisi aye.
To your to say righteous anger.
Yehu sinful or selfish anger.
That be the
biblical way. Sisi aye ko chronic.
Chronic. Okay.
And I say trait anger.
Chronic or trait anger. And another thing.
Psychological sciences mono. Traits no you explaining the say I say ni pesu.
Okay. I said there won't be.
Yeah, there will.
Okay.
Sena udi kan kai no. Obu o ha sena na adwen si ahihye fa no. Oye ni niema bi e wo kwan bi so.
All right.
Ye ni na ye different.
All right.
Enti sa trait anger no maybe obu o ha sena ye wo no. Ana sena otie no sa an experiences or tai ema bufo edore no bebre ti say choleric no omo no omo ye show omo ye ma de nti ka bibia esi na akwam a ebufu ebetimi abam nti chronic or trait anger no eno na akwakoye temperament
esa
awusu bisa
bisa yanken ka de bi o Ecclesiastes 7:9
okay
Ecclesiastes right then osenkafo eti enson yeyimo enkron.
Okay, me kind brofono.
What's it?
I say, do not be quickly provoked in your spirit.
Okay.
For anger resides in the lap of fools. My main kind be Ecclesiastes 7:9. Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit.
Okay.
For anger resides in the lap of fools.
Emma homo enkenya bebre. Ana okra enkenya bebre. Na abufuo ehye sebe enkwasiafo wankase mu. Abufuo hye enkwasiafo akomam.
Bible so there.
Anger resides in the bosom of fools. Na we say no. Ye dia wo no.
Yeah.
Ente anoni trait no.
Say in psychological sciences explaining their personality.
Okay.
Terms be wa emayehu personality.
Right.
A stable, relatively stable.
Okay.
Maybe we just obuamitri ne kakra. Relatively stable.
Ade bia ejina ho
and sasa.
Ente wa osu no bibia obi show china hu say wa the next day
hu say we kwame we kofi obi kwa beka say me man de omu na ye different o eno na friend a personality. So the stable, relatively stable disposition.
Right.
Disposition is enya
awusu bia
ema we ye enyema bi ebu o esi we ye boko.
Right.
Enti trait anger na say chronic anger no eno no any personality ni nenam.
Okay.
Enti senya wusi ye wa ade fa. Maybe because ka upe wa ade say no obi ye ba Monday ni ye ka say sources of anger no.
Right.
Ebi fini obi they were expecting say obeye.
Right.
And answer ne ka person obeye no oye. Enti we obi a de bia hwe kwan say obi beye ni a e wo say oye a. Sa chronic anger e be chiwo.
But say this trait and chronic anger, you know, related to hypertension ne yarwa. Omusanko for mo tanya such hypertension eyampa.
Ende eyampa ene anope ya kan say uwa kuma yare na wosu be di ebufu achi a.
Keso be huntem.
Enti de bia ene ya kan minor elevations in your blood pressure. Wakuma ni bo peri sa. Enti bo say ena na akosi e kan 3 days. Still I will
them.
Unti ase di enti what is happening? Enti body mood ni na ya basa. Enti na blood pressure no so. Swan
echo. Which other one?
And I was suppressed anger.
Suppressed anger. I don't know that boy.
Suppressed anger no dear. Me ankasa me with personal experience. My baby Debbie me babe. Sometimes no I will say maybe sometimes yeah fast sorry cry. ma do not sin. Okay. Don't let the sun go down your anger. And see, I say, ubufua a boni. Okay. But I start anger management. So my say a bufu in your boni. But expression. And your boa ni bufu. Only pakona kabibi when you and Jehu. O ma mi bia kaseti ao wadanfu bi se no ye no ho bedwam no wampe. Why ye di wa express anger no wan kasa wan nye hwe ba ehyewu I say why ye di
and na wo ruminate wo dwendwe ho wo puusa
wo wa dream say eh me pa na ye mi say
suppress anger. Okay,
and you say obi dream so asimesi die presa die the asemcho enso so ehyenimu
wonim say ehyewmu
enti ebeya oye last time no one kahwe afi de wasan ye biom afi de na ye build up na afi de kwakwa ye bitterness o
ebe branu
na ehyewmu sa
mesi me wa test bi ambese wo kana mehwe
ma menkan
Psalm 32 3-4
Psalm 32
3-4
my yenkan scripture Psalm 32 3-4 me kind bro no say when I keep silent my bones wasted away through my groaning all day long.
Rumination, no. Wa
no. For day and night.
For day and night.
For day and night, your hand was heavy on me. My strength was sapped. It's a mahu day no. It's a also now you as in the heat of summer.
Wow.
And to suppress anger,
anyway, dangerous.
Very, very dangerous.
Because I say we on obi na no bottle up, no bottle up, no bottle up, na wino, na edge na what eh. A bit me proud.
A bit me proud. A link to depression.
Okay.
And the friend of passive aggression. Unka wunfu se obi ehun se maybe o kasa nanim so kasa ho a is a wunfi no o baby a o ka bibia na me de no aye din
okay
bibia ba ka bia is no atu baby
okay
unka no verbal so wonim se wa wumu no
wow
and as bofum bibi so e kasa somatization
wow
o haya wo ya uti ya wo ya honam ya wo ya hwenya so hospitals sia o mehu se bibia anya na so maybe bibi e hyewu mu into be ka say adi we esi na medi 13 years medi 26 adi na busu hyeni mu
wow
e suppress anger into ubu so we show bi oni ba ko na nyo oni ba ko na o hye na bufu no wa or dia pity fa baby into suppress anger there say bibi hawa na maybe one of the things mehu anase nkofo expressing say Oba onim senia oba express anger no
okay
assertively
okay.
In a very good manner
so
oba ka entra so enti maybe okay me pese me bone me try say me controlling me anger enso so wanye ni here na akwa suppress anger no because so ye nipa and you have emotions
not just say suppress anger bia na so express it towards David.
Yes.
And Nubia. Because
to me in Semna Manekano, Saul has killed thousands.
But David is
10,000.
Hey.
Of course, them no see. Hey, say is your for is a madrin.
Hey, suppress anger is very dangerous.
It's very, very dangerous.
This
displays anger. And look at the way the car can pay.
Will be a osro be. Now, want to me and manabufu on.
Yeah.
No, a copy bibia a year less threatening. Take a jabia nebu funire. Na on Musa Obekay, near the Beshiano. Na or the Akoshaneba to a bonny bammy trim or Oka Sembiano or Mount Chick. And I say, Bia or quite Jumamua. Na or your boss. Anane boss aka semi ach na ene ya nani anje oba fia na ode abegu na ireso and displace anger na
eno
chachim kakara man bio
displace anger no ye wo bibi wo psychology mu a ye friend
defense mechanism.
Okay. Idea for experience emotions bia. Omo use ways bia.
Mo fa kweti kwambi so.
Amo say omo manage.
No mo dey manage.
Management ni na enye the best. Nti ebi ni displacements.
Okay.
Nti ufa idea eye lesser, idea wo from. Chain nipa na say insusansonity abufuo na ba no. Na wodi wabufuo akwakos. Nti o boss akike bia chiro. Now we a team leader. Mo managing and I say group head. Akase adenti na man produce reports no at that particular time. We a team leader confirm a 9 a show say. Mo ye team meeting and udru one and fire for fire.
Oja.
Na wo keke gu omosusa abufuo na boss dia man. O subordinate no ni owo form no ni wo ye panyi won so. Onti me nka bi nche hunti no. Na makọ keke bi a che no.
E no say it is Herod wakache magai enyesafo no say monko he bia ya wo akora no na monfa report mfa mreme magai no ko hu sia wo Yesu ana mpa bi fai ana Herod bufu ye wo kunkum kura wo Bethlehem nyina
ezi je say ono susu aye na yi
ene sola efense Samuel on say na bufu konso because Samuel ana akosra David
na David ememeti mbe
ono atene baby
omo besra ngunu kwa mini fie
no ni fie I feel na bufu nyina abegu no so when say dangerous
and I say papa okunu ni oyere ukunu maybe ukunu ani anje bibi hu and I catch yourself una oye imame also ohwe nkola no we nkola ne be twa anima ukunu akike bia ja na se waka wani ma na se oka bibia ompe na nkola no udi egu omusu se adenti na wa madadi akaza menim sa enti displays anger no so ewo hopa
na answer bufuo
shase maybe we lusu bibia esomobo akosia my example wa ha say se ma me bia ne bawu enti we eye grief anger ne raho me lose me ba maybe kwa ne baba akupe ne baba bema ba akupe owo and na usha is circumstances na one fa na nko hospital or the fear inti je say o hwe ade na wa hwere
no
e de bufuo bi na e de ewura ni mu sometimes ye ni ye relationship with nyankopon maybe we expect bibi fear ade ho we lose maybe we lose ade promotion bi wa bo ho pa na we expect say nyame be den e be ye breakthrough bi now na ade na massa ukwa sorry kana che say mu fa ma asem kura mfi oni sa mu preaching na mu preaching
Akoye asma kan me share obi a ya bo mpan man say wonya breakthrough and when ya breakthrough ni yes ya mo mpan so mba one man ni mo bia chase ne buafu nyankopon so ne buafu nyankopon ne buafu bia enti we no person chain for your righteous anger, your sinful and selfish anger, your chronic and trait anger, your suppressed anger, and your displaced anger, any grief anger. Wabufu no, he be, dear one he be, a trait and suppressed. Make count, dear him, your righteous anger, we no, a quay, who defending crophobia. Niema bi ehye won so kofo sisi won. Number 2, sinful anger we no abufu no boni ntina wo obufu boni o be probi they say obi sa so mi ko bi mi ko moje be hwie ene ye wo the chronic ona at say ye no ahusu afra o trait sane ye wo no obufu ntantam na sa ankrofo no nyina no eya na mo ye candidate of heart attacks tieniye pa why ya na wobuta funtentem bia no hwe ho ye wan hwe a wobenya a cardiac arrest one day be careful and ye wo suppress anger we no eye ne man keten bia wakeka atoato no abomu na fe aerial also won ka ho asam that proper na explode boom eko and ye wo the displaced anger obuafu hukunu onso won to be fan quantity o de akọ obaso obuafu boss want to make continent or the about it so and a fair what grief anger well lose who are dear be now I real woman who will phobia or man for Mamma min come home Mess say
I want to need hobium as often as your son one come to Fusen Jainudia. Oh, I can't remember your sanity. I can't remember your sanity. Cheno na miso na sukrobia ni agenti manyanja paje bia wo fie na menyi adumi pani fie so abrochete na funumi o na sumiti mi komi chibie mama beka obi my so hey Tama kama mre azani la sulalai oche masase mametoye 90 points fio ankrofu fie mwatina tuo minya baby family to bikunko bi manja tse ade untie mafutu semi aka everybody na saneti aka everybody na saneti
Woman for Prince Laboya, papa, and now one church here. The various taxonomy, various anger, biblical and clinical categories, righteous anger, abufua, and no ubufua oya depa, abufua oya bone, abufua eka wawusu abufua eye suppress. What can I say? Nanso eba na say ade, ene abufua. Eye towards obi na so fere ninti na de akobi a ubetumi no wonye ubetumi ninti na ade ko no so wonye kra any abufu a eye grief anger one lose baby nti no obu afuse wo lose ade no oba fie no wo lose ade wo lose ka lose phone obu afobia omanfo and no me pese me pick calls or china no me ne pese atnasia ye dam principles no and you china friday no me be ye principles no na me ma principles by 7 to 8 bia so me di gua kwam na wo de ye adwuma na amfadea na wo de no de serious and you be phone lines no 0260196064 0260196065 Fred Nini Nkomo and some mama to feel let me saw the one I miss I want to need hobium as often as your son come to say Yampesa Wabrabo ever say Yampesa Udachi ever say when you make a watching pa ho or say minimum drinking ko ame dwene efa ho say mema ayeye pa mema unchira mema nepa ene ayeye pa ente ma abufo ense wabrabo from 0260196064 0260196065 Hello.
Hello, Pastor, good morning.
Good morning. Auntie Mbacho Forson.
Mommy Cecilia.
Hey, Mommy Cecilia. Me ba no want to say.
Nyanko pardon. Le ko treasure.
Mo.
Nyanko ko shram what?
On shram.
Sunday the mail that no kan was say. So bufua. Yes, the did that wo kan hwe yi. And na come the wa. She na wan kasa. And na wan kan sendi da bro. asɛm na woka no so na me nana nso tete yɛn fie yɛn nana no mu ɔmo ma no nkyɛn yɛ pani yɛfie yɛfrɛ ɔmo wɔfa
okay
yɛ wɔfa no yɛkyɛ ɔmo pani nti yɛfie no di atɛm
ndi atɛm
wodi akwala kama yɛde bɛ yɛw no nti nanu me ba na nurse no wɔkɔ bi ɛna ɔfiri adwuma bɛ na ɔsɛ maa papa danfo bi aka asɛm bi asɛm na msi ade ɔsɛ ni wɔdwom na ɔfrɛ me nipa bebree hɔ ɛfia na ɔtɔ ɔgye ɔsɛ me ba wa ayɛ so 2 years ɔanam ase me wani na bisa na ɔka bi kyerɛ no ɔsi baabi papa si sɛ yɛ tutumi ka sɛ kyerɛ akwala sɛ nyɛ akwala na yɛate si ne mfi a so nso bɛka bi akyerɛw
ɔbɛka bi akyerɛw no abufu
wanka bi ankyɛn bi a mebɛ awurade ase nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwe yɛ kasa yi yɛtete yɛ ma ne yɛ nana no yi wɔntete nkwala no yi a wode bɛkɔ abɔnten nti yɛnsua saa deɛ no na nhyɛ kristo no munyam ɛda mo ase ɛne mo kyerɛkyerɛ a mokyerɛkyerɛ yɛ ɛwurade nkyerɛ sompa
Auntie Cecilia, no, Yamisha, papa. A man from Monfred 06 026019 6064 026019 6065. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. But you're from saying now,
yeah, please raise your voice a little bit. Your voice is very low.
Oh, my voice is rather high.
Okay. Good morning once again.
Good morning. Where are you calling from, please?
I'm calling from Tema. This is Do the Do, Sompa your Tema.
Do the Do. Hey. Kasa.
Yeah, I'm a very person who have a very missing a temper.
Okay.
Very bad temper.
Okay.
And for so many years, I don't stay with people around me.
Oh.
And this morning, I heard you and Sister Pose discussing issues. So I make my mentor and ask you for advice. Somebody take my money away. It's about 5,000 cities for a business. He never turned. Almost about 6 years.
Okay.
I went in to finish his life.
You want to
Somebody
finish?
told me,
You want to finish his life?
I wanted to finish his life for him, for taking my money for almost 6 years without paying the money back. I don't even see him up to now. So this tempest, it's a cause of it. There's a cause for somebody to be a temper person or create each other issue. What you discussed this morning, it's not easy for somebody to just wake up and do something like that. You understand what I mean?
What you see can we can on from
another issue. It is the two name as a brother. Maybe I'm almost 70.
Okay.
What should I do?
Oh. Obesombra, wait a minute. I say, as I'm how can I serious? Will be adding 5,000. And the Osage say, or Pesanko or Ko, no, Ko Yenipan in Yadua, and it's Bokuno Kurubukuno. Now, so, yes, say Ajubro, Metiasepa, say, Yana, some of these things, no, at your yaw, new bra ediba, will be Honoma, why you are dear, but, Yabotre, say, Obegus were the Nipanachia, open so a faco court, a buying split me a bem, no, I you see counsel at the amount. Why? Obi line so. Hello. Yes, sir.
Sompo.
I market your pa, but you want every year.
Josie,
hey, a Josie, Yankasa.
Oh, Papa mentioned my son, sir. Who are your cassettes here? You were the same similar cases.
Okay.
Many are buying you.
Okay.
I had Mama buying, that's 2020, this in there.
Okay.
I bank you whatever my person can be the number that she my from your income.
Mate.
Yet to one amount.
Mate. I am a fair money amount. Why? But I am on Kaise and Bra. And I buy a cra. We are going to buy into open the Abanco court. With me, oh, Debbie, what do you to an amono? Utu an amona. To an amount and whatever my Anna actually what no shaka on a man. Mate. What me a boy. Mate. Yamisha. Auntie, no friend number no, but friend number here. we have a number no is 053 188 6216 053 188 6216 Ofra Omano Bekasana Edin Komoich. Why? That's it. Oman for Ea Mama Yankai say Abai Ebe to me Abwa or Quembiso Fadeno Cocotte na Ebeboa. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Aja. Near France and now for everything.
But Obama just one day.
Hey, just one day. Yankasa.
Yes, Daddy.
Yankasa.
Yankasa. That I then what my Mr. Bibi said, who believe in what they are doing, but every your finally Asiano.
Why are there?
Why are there? Papa, they are doing it. The young Piano, they are obili, Yemen, and Fata Asia. Yes, really a drink pack, a Asiano. And now, Asiano. And I know my life is so I have Raboya here, boys. Life is a stage. We should structure it one by one.
Yeah.
A bit to me,
I'm dear Papa. What?
In the Yanko Point Show. And I know you get to separate as well about the boy my own care. There are type of hunger, righteous hunger, sinful hunger, created chronic hunger. Suppressed hunger, any disease hunger.
In fact,
any grave hunger.
You're a born doctor. You're a born doctor.
It's about me. That is because me who be a me you be a me me once and if you need buy na me so me person me be but always know because for you to me say dia me na bibiano me person to kwa na bibia me say come there but because for almost at me a soft and baby. It is sometimes they need to meet the woman. No matter tell me almost premier and almost say Akumana make it almost a kitchen because when things are going wrong will be a foolishness and not to me knowledge is Shiano.
What is Shiano?
Always know knowledge Shiano. It's a money part baby almost say some to be to me better can is there. Me use to me knowledge no me find changing the barman. Me use to me knowledge no me find system the barman.
What a good example.
What my mother and what to be a foolish thing, I'm not really foolish, but I am in money to share me.
Why are they Papa? Why are they? Melas pa Branty or just say on your back program is what the way I follow at the end of cry any kake. Why are they Papa say who making notes now what they age man now one idea I'm can say I am a takasimbi say you will not get better because you listen to us, you will get better because you acted on what you heard. I just say the kind in idea the kind of babu namo the babu and say the kind of fine. Now the age man may call you 0260196064 0260196065 Fred 9 incomo ebeboa pa Fred incomo and to abu for amitaka abuphobia te the kind of pay yes obufua there is a braking system in your brain and the prefrontal cortex what if I say PFC prefrontal cortex PFC and the braking system and the map why do not say they be nyabotre so woman kwan na baby a atenkan free no etwi faswa oh ebe ya want to say the sabe abodam now so na modam we be a wodi huni we be a we yade we be a kasa ye now so when nyabotre ntino obi hunu say sabe wabodam and so na yes and the from here 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 righteous anger, sinful and selfish anger chronic and trait anger, suppressed anger, displaced anger, grief anger. Phone ira no obi a gbafo bia na phone se me na me fa and to obu afu ye nyina ana na afu ye so and to bone na hesa no 0260 1960 64 and 0260 1960 but obi online so line 2 but one online is we. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Bacho when you?
Bacha Poe.
Boko Bacho when na me neka say.
Na Bacha Blakesia.
Blakesia, Bacho Blakesia o frefre.
Bacha de.
Blakesia Bacho frefre. O ka frefre.
87.
Yo, 37 yen ka say.
Adon Menka.
Meton kapa kasa.
Menka.
Ai kasa meton ka.
Aha, ebo fo so na mo kan. To be padu. And the movie and a shade. The Hutana was starting to count and the other corner and the wedding come and was on count once.
Okay.
The other why and out there and go give you a business or woman and Catanoia and woman.
Okay.
Upon the other thing of the person and maybe Uncle Pascal in there. So you know, no more than his own friend.
Okay.
Of course, you know, they get shot away.
And very good point there. And one count such a person is a constant provocator. Just say or show a or by say BBC embuano. Tiene from the earlier part of the submission, make I say, a bribia will be the buffo, Asia biano, for Nyansa, Ishiano. Onyansa, I want to say, Mebao, Onyansa, I want to say, number one, umbuano. Secondly, if I be say assertiveness, a casa assertiveness, oh, Bessa catching abuse, say, the awoyen, Messi Jai, na mempe. Sa was one yaya. Everybody na oharazoa. That no be catch me say. So be a harazo. Now what can was somewhere or say, oh to me a report to Nipano. Oh to me report no. Because o piepia or provoke ma wakwaye bribia on pesaway. Oh bet to me edinako dosu a harassment. And it's a police station be on. Now one catching pan say jadi away no. Jadi away no. Jadi away no one jai. No I end the bia. Who to me at the Neko Dosu? A catcher say, oh, harazo. Domestic violence, domestic harassment. The Oyono or Persebribi are enye esi between one and Nipano. And to bet me, they are met me a catcher on Swebebo and say, Minia, my catcher say, a bribia sabi, Nyansa, and Jimmy Beshiano. As I said, Nyansa edi Jimmy. And in the Nipana, Sabi or the Jimmy Edi Jumano. One day, Jimmy Shiano Pa. Okwana Becca say, one only Munyansa, but not yet what. And the Bomondia na Tusana Bomber, a bebo pa. Overflow, line one so.
Hello,
Mama.
Hello, Pacho. Good morning.
Good morning. You're from Sana Frefree.
Pacho, friend, Mammy, the day, Castle.
Mammy, the day. Okay.
Mammy, the day.
Yo, Caswa from where dear?
Damn, Pacho, now who points your pa?
Oh, she
and I come over dance to be sure, one percent with the chair, but maybe Temuno.
Okay.
My can't say, one auntie, Apusia.
Mate.
Mama, my brother, sister, crowd, 6 years.
Oh,
Damn, Pacho, I'm found, but in the meantime, I come woman 2 minutes to pedament.
What do you can into?
Pacho, I'm out of
okay.
Into me, maybe I am. For the send 400.
Okay.
You know more can say. Now, sister, who pays the cat and son or what you do, who pays cat and son or what you do, now, I can say. Sorry, not for one and so not say, did you or any place here? Some are no one talk.
Okay.
Now, then I'm fast.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Sister, let's find now, lying in a big cacra.
Okay.
Damn, Pacho. So we bring our promotion here at the area. And then we will ride out at the found of the 50. Ikita line in there 150 bundles.
Wow!
Wow!
A supply will be correct.
You can know but many are
Amen.
Namun church, yes, someone, maybe the one to papa, and now my brain will be no more commercial.
Yabasha, yo,
out. So I did the one I make up.
Yeah, many are the crama, until the Yamisa, pa, or man for moon, until the day after 2 years, can ya no say, Wafa, Eddie Ayajuma. Emene wanya shop enie magum no kura odintino wanya obi nso a supply no nipa no de man on credit na wa ton wakotu anka odi no kure maka kire mesi obrei ye hyehyɛ life is structured so wo hyehyɛ ebesi wi enya ba yo ana yesusum boni bia ne wachi ya na wabrabɔ no watoto na jeje mu oye ne basabasa oye na sini na wo ne san nyina na epirawo enti tie me na nyansa ebeboa frɛ 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 akakakra na mebere ayebe last caller ena me he okwan no one friend ya na chese me ko 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 obi aba line 2 no so last caller hello oh kuse Sanfre BOI, Sanfre BO, Sanfre 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65. I'm happy for what God is using this program for in the lives of people. Yeni aji pass onyame edindan wabrabo ye papa. Omanfo ha enamede ende ebisi medinchia enchiama papa mama yere Mavis Osafo Edu awoye assistant registrar ewo School of Pharmacy University of Ghana menimse wo ene onkrofo a ewo office de motie papa penti famishira ema ubia ewo house nyame enhira mo na meka won so say Center for Aging Studies 10 years no be other programs make can wasem in the course of the week. Now your programs are hodwa edaho. Your PhD in aging studies. Or PhD or aging studies abit may apply. And your MPhil in aging studies and also available. And your MA in aging studies and your 1 year, PhD in your 4 years, MPhil in your 2 years. And your someone MA in counseling and also your 1 year. And a weekend, a MA in counseling, a weekend, Sundays and Saturdays, and online. But the MA in aging studies, no, any regular program. And now, MPhil is a regular program, and a PhD is a regular program. The forms no are ready, but more than I got to be now apply, Nabra, Nabisuya, and paying form more adio, necessities in Hannibal. Oman for a benign bit when you may my Friday. Me know ebe me churchill how to manage the anger. Afedie the principles no ebe gukwem be 6 or 10 principles na offer ebebo ka hu say obra biara ubu ne yiye no na ekoso na utia futu no say oya ebesi wiye enti na erubesi ha onyame yadoma Friday ebesa hia bo bira yiye to anamo yiye ma bufu antra so eya obufu a taking a deep breath, Namunsio, walk away from the place. God will bring you grace. Shalom. Peace and life to you. We am Osafo, Joseph Osafo. Bye bye.